how to...
If you equip Z item...
Oh, that Z item is item fusion, isn't item fusion? You can combine, remember, you can create... Well then, select 2 Z items. The matchup is... Let's start the fusion! Oh yeah, it's fusion! Alright, it's done! The matchup is perfect. Let's start the fusion! Oh yeah, it's fusion! Alright, it's done! Let's start the fusion! Oh yeah, it's fusion! Alright, it's done! Oh!
Oh, now you can pop... What do you say? My friends and I have plenty of Oh! A new scenario's been added. Okay, let's try the next one. A story... Well, there might... In other... Which... Got it? The next one's the last one. All right! We'll...
The Saiyans worked as planet brokers for the evil tyrant Frieza. In this capacity, Raditz came to Earth, but in the battle with Piccolo, his memory was lost. His mission forgotten, the Saiyan soon found himself enjoying the company of his new family. Now, with his memory slowly returning, Raditz has been thrown into turmoil. Then with the threat of Vegeta and Nappa's arrival looming ever closer, he must at last make a choice. Overconfident in his own power, Raditz suffered a devastating blow from the Namekian warrior, Piccolo. Backed into a corner, Raditz unleashed his fighting creatures, the Cybermen, to aid him in his fight.
Be careful. They're even more vicious than they look.
What are they? Ready? Fight! Powerful though the Cybermen were, Piccolo proved to be an even match.
Is that all you've got?
Suddenly, the Cybermen halted their attack on Piccolo. They swarmed Raditz as they prepared to self-destruct.
John, you must be defective.
And thus, Raditz was defeated by his own Cybermen. Later, as Raditz drifted through darkness, a light awakened him.
Where am I?
Having hid his head, Raditz's memories were lost. His mission forgotten, he began to wander the earth.